the first thing you'll be needing for this white dots recipe is your Dove moisturizer. I will try as much as possible to leave. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous. On this channel I film about skincare, product reviews, supplements, and everything concerning skincare and body enhancement. So if this is the kind of content you love to know about, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so I won't waste much of your time today. I'll be giving you a cheap and easy recipe to make for white patches. A lot of things can cause white patches, but most time it is majorly from cream. Yeah, it is majorly from cream. White patches are majorly most time caused by cream. Yeah, harsh cream actually. And maybe if a cream is not just working for you, you understand what I'm saying? So if you've gotten this white patches from one or two creams you actually tried and you need to get it off your skin, then you'll be needing this recipe. I won't be doing any practical here. I'll be just calling what you need for you, and I might be pasting the list of the products on the screen. So the first thing you'll be needing for this recipe is your Dove moisturizer. Yeah, you want to clear this thing. You definitely do not need another harsh thing to clear a harsh issue. You understand? So the first thing you'll be needing for this white dots is your Dove moisturizer. This recipe I'm about to give you, and this measurement is for large batch. So if you're doing a little, you just have to divide it. If you're producing a little, you just have to divide it and get the size you want from this. You understand? I will try as much as possible to leave a picture of whatever I'm saying on the screen. The first thing you'll be needing is your Dove moisturizer. You need one lotion of your Dove moisturizer. The second thing you need is your Olibath tube. You need 4 of your Olibath tube. And the reason for this Olibath tube is this Olibath tube is a very good tube. You can actually use it alone, but I don't want you to use it and complain about anything. So it will be better for you to mix it with another moisturizer to help moisturize the area and get what you want from it. So you need 4 of your Olibath tube. Like I said, this is for a big batch. So if you're not making a big batch, you don't need this much. You just have to divide and get the little you want from it. You need 4 of your Olibath tube. If you can't get Olibath tube, you can use original Fombat A. I didn't tell you Fombat A because a lot of Fombat A fake are in the market. So if you can lay your hand on Fombat A, then you can substitute Olibath tube for Fombat A. But if you can definitely use your Olibath tube, and you need 4 tube of your Olibath tube. And the next thing you need for this recipe is your camphor powder. Yes, camphor powder. And you need 1 tablespoon of your camphor powder. You need 50 ml of your glycerin. You need 50 ml of your sweet almond oil. You also need 10 ml of your avocado oil, and you need 1 teaspoon of your vitamin E oil. Yes, please take notes how to mix this. Do not add camphor powder directly to your mixture. Another thing is, anytime you're making a cream, especially cream, I even do it to my soaps. But even if you're not doing it to your soap, anytime you're making a cream, do not have powder directly to your cream or whatsoever thing you're making. If it's a lightening cream, knuckle cream, anything cream that you're making, please pardon this. This is actually a wound from something, so this is not knuckles. My knuckle is really clean. Sorry for the diversion. So anytime you're making cream and you want to mix a powder, do not mix a powder directly into a lotion. Kindly mix the powder with a glycerin and make it in a lotion form. You understand? Make it, if it's something that is oil soluble, you use glycerin. If it's water soluble, you use rose water. You get what I'm saying? Mix a little portion of what you need into a little portion of rose water or glycerin. Mix very well and pour into your cream. Like that is going to dissolve. You don't have lumps of powders in your cream. That is not going to be nice. So you mix all this together, like I just said. You mix the Dove lotion into the tube together, you mix very well. Your camphor powder, you can mix with a little glycerin, you understand, to make a paste form. Then you pour into your mixture, and then you pour everything together, and there you have your white dots cream. Yeah, you apply this on your body like your normal body cream every day, morning and night, and within 2 weeks of using this particular mixture, you're surely going to get rid of that white dots on your skin. Meanwhile, after getting rid of your white dots, please be careful of the kind of creams you apply. Some creams are not so bad, but they don't work for your skin type. Once you notice a cream giving you white dots or anything, then you should actually discontinue that particular product. So thank you for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Peace out.